everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add biometrics, your fingerprint, to your Android phone. So you can turn this on by swiping down from the top right and go to Settings. And we want to look for a lock feature. So on this Motorola phone, now it could be under a couple different places. It could be under lock screen, passwords, and account. And mine is under security and privacy. And then I can go here. And you can see it says set a lock screen right there. I can do it right there. Otherwise, I think I can scroll on down. There's a different location I can do that too. So let's go to start lock screen. And I can change this on over. But first, we need to actually put a pattern on our phone before we can actually add fingerprints to it. So I'm just going to do some weird pattern like that. Go to done. Now, when I have the pattern on here, I can actually go to device unlock now. And I can decide if I want a fingerprint on here. So let's go to fingerprint. So you got to confirm your pattern, whatever it is. And then we can set up the biometrics. Now on this phone, there is a little sensor right on the right side. You might have one on the screen or in a different location. So it's going to tell you where to do it. And then you just have to tap it like maybe 20 times. And it should add your fingerprint. And then we can be done. And then your fingerprint is added. You can always go back here and delete it at any point in time. So you got fingerprint unlocked now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.